What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're fishing another neighborhood pond. This one I've been to before, featured in a few of my videos. Really excited for this one. And we're gonna try out some new things. So I got these new Arkie U heads. So we're gonna try those out. Essentially all it is a little weight and a swivel hook on it. So we'll try that out and see if we can't catch something. And yeah, that's where we're fishing today. No sun, or not a whole lot of sun yet. Pretty cloudy, so I'll see you guys out on the water. I'm gonna get some stuff tied on. All right, guys, trying to figure out what I want to use first. Let's try this one out. So this, just going weightless with it, is a power bait. I think it's called a Mantis Bug, and it's got a lot of action. It's got a lot of scent. Black and blue, good for the early morning. Let's see if we can't find a fish with it. Never used this one really out here or really anywhere. I've tried it a couple times, but never really got anything on it. So I'm hoping to catch something on this and scratch it off the list of things. Last time I was out here, there was some grass sticking up from out there. So there's definitely a couple grass patches right out where I'm casting right now. And as you all know, where there's grass, there's usually fish. So this may not be the bait for them. This may not be what they want. All right, guys, this is a little bit of a different bait. It's Bass Pro Shop Craw is what it's called. I got it on a Ned hook. In my last video, I caught a fish with this. It was not out here, but let's try. They do like this color out here. It's like a green pumpkin pearl, I think is what this is called. And they do like them. They like Ned rigs. They like Ned rig crawls. So let's see if we can get on something here. Alright, so fish just hit something right on the top over here in this corner. Kind of saw the direction he swam. I'm just going to try to get it out. Just in a general area out here. See if I can't get him to bite. Hooked on something out here. It's a turtle. Damn, that's a big old turtle. Come on, dude, you gotta... Alright, got a turtle. Not at all what I wanted. Alright. Come on, man. Give me my stuff back. I don't want to leave a hook in his mouth. But I can't get him on land over here. Alright, come this way then. Alright. Trying to figure out what I can do here. If I can get him up over onto this concrete. And he snapped the line. Damn. Well, that kind of sucks. It's not what I want to do. Never want to leave a hook in anything. And that turtle's going to have a Ned rig hook stuck in his mouth. Hopefully he can shake it out. Damn. That kind of sucks, guys. I don't want to be out here hurting animals and stuff. It's not my intention. I fish because I like to fish, not because I want to hurt anything. Alright guys, so here's what I'm going with. Got my Baitcaster. Got Slim Shake worm on that Arkie head. Let me get it a little closer. So all that head does is swivel. So it's going to sit down there just like this, and this thing's just going to swing all over the place and hopefully catch us a fish. So I'll try to link everything actually that I'm using down in the description. A little bit of a backlash there. It's all right. There we go. First fish of the day, guys. First fish of the day. Dealing with that backlash. As soon as I moved it, he hit it. He's not a monster by any means, but that is not a bad fish. All right, buddy. Go back in there. And he swam off. All right, guys. Let's get right back out there. I didn't get that backlash out very well. Maybe this is a trick. Maybe you gotta be messing with your reel. And then, so as soon as I reeled in like that, tightened it, I could feel him biting it already. Oh. Big bird's nest there, so. That's what I'm dealing with right now. And it is a big one. That's good. That was a big one. I got that right into the fountain, right where I wanted it. Guys, I'm actually gonna head over to the next pond across the street here. See if we can't get on something. Kind of change up what I'm using here. And we'll see what we can get. And we'll see you over there. Guys, so we're out here at the next pond. Got the sun gear on because the sun is just gonna be hitting me right in the face. So hopefully I can not get sunburned any more than I already am. But gonna be trying a few things out here, so let's get on the water and see what we can do. All right, so first thing I'm gonna be throwing, changed it up. It's still the same Slim Shake worm, but on more of a mushroom head jig than that swivel one. So let's see. Still getting backlash here. Another one. Damn, he shook it. That's the second one I've caught because I backlashed. Like I said, I didn't think the fish would be that deep. And it's still backlashing on me. If you have any suggestions, I mean, I've really never had that problem with this reel. So, any suggestions? I mean, there's my brake setup, so Max being here, me being here. And then I got it to where it's falling, I'd say 50% of the normal gravity fall. So, never really had that problem. I've used this line on this reel previously with no issue, so I don't think it's the line. I get every cast now. Alright guys, out here at the last spot of the day. I don't know if I can get through here. This is a little go-to spot for my buddy at Inevitable Fishing. Check out his channel. I've been meaning to fish this little pond for a while. So this is the pond here. So you want to fish. Alright, Inevitable, I probably assume you don't park on the other side right here. I'm gonna try right here. I'm assuming you park at the end of the sidewalk and not try to walk through all that stuff. I didn't do that. I might have to start here next time. There's just stuff hitting all over the top of the water. Can't really tell if it's turtles or what. But, huh. Alright guys, well I'm done for the day. It's hot. I am just, you can't tell, but I'm covered in sweat. It was a hot morning. Got on a fish, so I'm happy about that. But I'm off to work, guys. If you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And we'll see you guys on the next one.